Good morning to you all. A warm welcome to the Director General of Police, Sri Gautam Savang garu, Professor K. Ramamohan Rao garu, the Vice Chairman of AP State Council of Higher Education, Father M. Balsori, the Rector of Andhra Loyola College, Rector of all the institutions run by the Jesuit community of Loyola College, Reverend Father Dr. M. Sagayaraj, the correspondent of Andhra Loyola College, Father G.M. Victor Emmanuel, the principal of Andhra Loyola College, representatives of faculty and students, a good morning to you all, a warm welcome to you all. In fact, today we have two different occasions. One is the opening of the renovated college office, which has been a dream for all of us. Though Loyola College was established in 1954, when the alumni visit the college, they say that when we have studied, this is the same office we had. But after more than 70 years, now we have a renovated office. So I thank Sri Gautam Savang garu for inaugurating our renovated college office. And the second occasion is the launching of Andhra Loyola College Learning Management System. This has been contemplated 6 months back, and thanks to the Rashtriya Uchitar Shiksha Abhiyan funds for giving us 26 lakhs of rupees to establish our own learning management system. This is something like anytime, anywhere learning. And on the instructions of Father Principal, Father Victor Emmanuel, we have been asking the faculty members to at least give 25% of the course content online. So it will be a blended learning for all the students. When once you are in the classroom, you will be listening to the lecture maybe for 45 to 50 minutes. But you don't have the opportunity to recollect what has been told in the classroom. With this learning management system, a blended learning will be made possible, where a student can go for anytime, anywhere learning. And today we have with us two distinguished personalities. Sri Gautam Savang garu, the present Director General of Police of Andhra Pradesh. Sri Savang, at a young age of 26 years, was recruited to the Indian Police Service, belonging to the 1986 batch and allocated to Andhra Pradesh Police Cadre. He is an alumnus of our sister concerned Jesuit institution, Loyola College, Chennai, where he did his Bachelor of Arts. Savang garu had served the state of Andhra Pradesh in various capacities, and also the central appointments like Central Reserve Police Force, and also served as a commissioner, UN Police, United Nations Mission in Liberia, a country on the West African coast, from 2009 to 2012. Our DGP had been presented with Police Medal for Meritorious Service, Police Medal for Gallantry, CRPF Director General's Commendation Disc, President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service in the year 2015. So we have with us the able administrator who takes care of all of our security within Andhra Pradesh. And the second distinguished personality we have is Professor K. Ramamohan Rao garu, the Vice Chairman of Andhra Pradesh State Council of Higher Education, Government of Andhra Pradesh. Sir has been instrumental in establishing the Quality Assurance Cell, the entrepreneurship, startup incubation centers in all universities, and State Research Board, and several other academic innovations in the higher education sector of Andhra Pradesh. Sir has been a senior professor in the Department of Commerce and Management Studies in Andhra University, Visakhapatnam, served as Registrar of Andhra University, had been the IKSC coordinator and Internal Quality Assurance Cell, where he was the main key responsible person for getting the NAC accreditation to Andhra University at a coveted state. And Sir has designed quality management system for Andhra University, and he is the recipient of ET Now National Education Leadership Award, as well as the State Teacher Award from Government of Andhra Pradesh in 2015. It is something unique that our DGP Sir has got the coveted President Police Medal Service in 2015, and Professor K. Ramamohan Rao garu got the State Best Teacher Award in the same year, 2015. Now, with this short introduction of our today's function, now may I request Reverend Father G.M. Victor Emmanuel, the principal, to give his welcome address.
Father Victor Manuel. Dear distinguished guest on the days, and my dear students and my parents who are watching online, మీకు అందరికీ నమస్కారాలు. ఈ రోజు చాలా ముఖ్యమైన రోజు మన లోయల కాలేజ్ చరిత్రలో. ఎందుకంటే కొత్త ఆఫీస్ మొదలు పెట్టుకున్నాము, తర్వాత మన యాప్ లోయల కాలేజ్ యాప్ మొదలు పెట్టుకుంటున్నాము. దీనివల్ల ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ చెప్పుకోవటానికి, మనం స్టోర్ చేసుకోవటానికి చాలా కృషి చేసి దీన్ని మనం స్థాపించడానికి పూనుకున్నాము. దానికి ముఖ్య అతిథిగా డీజీపీ గారు, తర్వాత ప్రొఫెసర్ రామ్మోహన్ రావు గారు వచ్చారు. టీవీ గురించి ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడితే అంత తక్కువ అయ్యిద్ది. ఎందుకంటే ఆయన గురించి చెప్పాలంటే మాటలు ఈజ్ లైక్ ఎ నైఫ్. ఈ కట్స్ ద మైండ్, ఈ కట్స్ ద హార్ట్, ఈ కట్స్ ద people and brings the tears out. As you know, the recent one, a woman of drinks to the person. This is a police post. They are not showing the faces actually. She comes and takes 2 bottles and gives. ఎందుకమ్మా అడిగారు వాళ్ళు. మీకే సార్, మాకెందుకమ్మా, మీకెంత జీతం? 3,000 జీతంలో ఇస్తున్నామంటే ఇది పెట్టుకోమ్మా అని చెప్పేసి ఈయన కూడా ఈయన దగ్గర ఉన్న బిస్కెట్ పాకెట్ లేదో ఆయనకి ఇచ్చాడు మళ్ళీ తిరిగి. అప్పుడు ఆమె నవ్వుకుంటూ పోయింది, ఎంత జీతం అని. 3,000కి. తర్వాత ఆయన ఒక మాట అన్నాడు, అమ్మ మీలాంటి వాళ్ళు వచ్చిపోతుండండి అమ్మా అని చెప్పాడు ఆయన. అది ఇంకా గుర్తుంది. ఇది మా సవాంగ్ గారికి వెళ్ళింది. లోయల్ స్టూడెంట్ కదా, ఊరుకుంటారా? వెంటనే ఆమె ఎక్కడుంది పట్టుకోమన్నారు. పట్టుకొని మళ్ళీ వీడియో కాన్ఫరెన్స్ పెట్టించారు. ఆయన ఎక్కడుంది పట్టుకొని ఆమె ఎక్కడ దండాలండి అని చెప్పి, ఈ రిమెంబర్ దిస్ హౌ ఈ కట్స్ ద హార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్ బై హిస్ కైండ్ వర్డ్స్. తెలుగులో ఆమెకి ఇంగ్లీష్ రాదు కాబట్టి ఆయనకి తెలుగులోనే మాట్లాడతారు ఎప్పుడైనా ఎవరు ఉన్నప్పుడు కూడా. అమ్మ మీలాంటి వాళ్ళు ఉంటే మాకు ఇంకా ఉత్సాహం వచ్చింది. కోవిడ్ సిచ్యువేషన్లో పోలీసు వాళ్ళు ఎంత కష్టపడుతున్నారో మనకు తెలియదు. రెయ్యం బావుల్లో కష్టపడాలి. ఏదో 1-2 అక్కడ కొడుతున్నారని చూపిస్తున్నారు, కానీ వాళ్ళు చేసే మంచి పనులు మనకు కనపడవు. ఇవన్నీ గుర్తిస్తున్నారు మీరు అని చెప్పేసి మీకు సెల్యూట్ చేశారు. ప్లీజ్ క్లాప్ ద హ్యాండ్స్. నిజంగానే I cannot clap the hands, that's why I'm asking you. I salute you, sir, because you salute a woman, because you are cadre salutes only Chief Minister and above. But you dedicated that valuable salute to a poor woman who came for help and showed a generosity. People have seen millions and touched by your generosity. And we are happy to have you amidst us here. And also we are happy to have Rammohan Rao amidst us. Quality, innovation. These 2 words always go with Rammohan Rao garu. I know తెలిస్తే చాలు అన్ని ఇన్నోవేటివ్ ఐడియాస్ వస్తాయి. ఇప్పుడు he is there to implement new education policy, also new education system for the degree. And our Srirangam is there to help him. So we are happy to have you, sir, with us. As we welcome these people, always remember PACE, P-A-C-E. P stands for playfulness. మనం చాలా సీరియస్ అయిపోతాం లైఫ్లో ఒకసారి. ప్లేఫుల్నెస్, టేక్ లైఫ్ యాజ్ స్పోర్టివ్లీ. కోవిడ్ వచ్చిందని మూల కూర్చోకూడదు. అందుకని బయట తిరగమని చెప్పట్లా. ఎందుకంటే మన మైండ్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ప్లేఫుల్నెస్, ఈవెన్ టీచింగ్. ది ఎల్ఎంఎస్ చార్జ్ అయినప్పుడు కూడా, వై యు ఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఇన్ ప్లేయింగ్ ఏ గేమ్స్ ఇన్ ద వాట్సాప్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ఎనీ మొబైల్ ఫోన్? Because you enjoy. This way the classroom also must be enjoyable. In that way we have designed this. So playfulness implies that you enjoy your work. When there is saying, if you work then you will not enjoy. If you play then you will enjoy. So take your work as a play, then you will enjoy. Just enjoy. Students, younger students, LKG, they like play rather than their studies. So when they grow up, we cut off that. We must improve that playfulness in our study, teaching, playfulness. Then A is adaptability. You must be able to adapt to the situation. If you are not able to adapt, you are gone, perish. So this situation, so many days lockdown, and still that continues. We see our own people whom today they are not there with us. We never expected our own lecturer, Devasahayam, to pass away. It's really painful for us. A person who with us passed away, and so many our own known people, near and dear ones. But life has to continue. Life has to continue. We have to adapt to the situation. An animal, plant, or an insect will adapt very easily. Human being finds it difficult because we are accustomed to customs and traditions. We adapt to the new situation, new way of teaching. Say LMS will teach you to adapt to the new way of teaching. And we have, be curiosity. Curious. The curiosity mind is very important, because that curiosity makes you research. You simply what you given, you take it, then it's not curiosity. Why? Why always ask why? Why it is this? Why? Always ask why. I was staying for some time in Karimnagar. There was a boy, long back, 1974. He was asking, దేనికైనా ఎందుకు అడుగుతారు, అది సందమామరా, ఎందుకు పైన ఉంది, ఎందుకు పైన నేను చెప్పాలి, ఆ దేవుడు అక్కడ పెట్టాడు, దేవుడు అక్కడ పెట్టాడు, ఎందుకు కింద పెట్టకూడదు. సో ఎందుకు 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 వాడు ఎప్పుడు చూసినా యూ విల్ నాట్ బి సాటిస్ఫైడ్. ఐ స్టిల్ రిమెంబర్ దట్ బాయ్. We have no students, very few students who are asking this kind of question in the class. Why? Always ask why. Don't accept things as they come. Ask this curiosity mind. Ask curiosity, develop the curiosity mind. That will lead you to something new, something innovative, something forward in life. Then E, empathy. Empathy is very important, compassionate. We are not robots. తల్లిదండ్రుల మనమందరం కూడా కంపాషనేట్గా ఉండే. ఈ కోవిడ్లో నేర్చుకున్నాం, అంతా చూశారు కదా, ఎట్లా సోను సూద్ ఎంతమందికి హెల్ప్ చేశాడు పాపం. సినిమాలో విలన్, కానీ జీవితంలో ఎంతో కష్టపడి ధైర్యంగా వెళ్ళి ఎంతోమంది ఇంటికి పంపించాడు. అలా ఎంతోమంది మా సావంతి మేము కూడా సహాయం చేసాం. పోలీసు వాళ్ళు కూడా సహాయం చేసాం. వాళ్ళకు కూడా మేము వెళ్ళి ఓల్డ్ బాయ్స్ తరఫున గుడ్లు ఇవ్వడం కానీ, లేకపోతే మాస్కులు ఇవ్వడం కానీ జరిగింది. అప్పుడంతా వాళ్ళకి వెళ్ళి చేసేటప్పుడు, ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళకి సేవ చేస్తున్నారు. చాలామంది మేము కూడా అన్నం పెట్టాం. ఇది మనలో ఉన్న మానవత్వాన్ని బయట తీసుకొస్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఆ మానవత్వం మర్చిపోకూడదు మన జీవితంలో. ఇవన్నీ ఉన్నప్పుడు మంచి జీవితం మనకు వస్తుంది. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, స్పేస్ కావాలి. నాట్ ఓన్లీ స్పేస్, give space so that you will become very good human being. So with these few words, I'm very happy to hear both of them and all of you. తల్లిదండ్రులారా, ఈ చూస్తున్న మా ఫ్రెండ్స్ లారా, happy occasion to have this both the guests and inaugurate this LMS on this occasion. Thank you very much.
So thank you, Father, for your words of welcome. Now, may I request Sri D. Gautam Savang, IPS, the Director General of Police of Andhra Pradesh, to launch the LMS of the admin portal of our learning management system. Sir. Yes. Username comments. Enter. So this will be the dashboard. Different type of reports could be generated. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now, may I request Reverend Father Dr. M. Sagayaraj, correspondent, to launch the LMS login of faculty. So our LMS has 4 major modules. One is for the administration, second will be for the faculty, and third will be for the students. So faculty will be hosting the content, and the same content will be viewed, and self-assessment will be taken by the students. Now, coming to the launching of the LMS module of students, may I request the students to come over and then launch their own portal. Yes, come. Yes, come. Both of you come. Press on the launch button there. So there will be what is called as the students can go through the content, they can view the PowerPoint presentation, they can view the teaching resources, and also take assignments also. Not only assignments, but also the self-assessment also. They will be knowing how much they have learnt during this particular, in that particular course module. So we have these 3 major things. And the beauty of our, thank you. The beauty of our entire learning management system is it can use the mobile app also. Maybe most of the students may not have their desktops or laptops, but here we have a mobile application of the entire LMS. Either the faculty members or the students can use the mobile app and then browse through the content, learn the content, do the assignments and other things and all. So this way, we have the mobile application for the entire LMS. Now, may I request Professor K. Ram Mohan Rao Garu, the Vice Chairman of AP State Council of Higher Education, to launch the mobile app. Sir. Yes. You can show it to the camera, sir. Click change, sir. Click change. Open in the. So this is the mobile app which is unique to the learning management system. Log in please. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So with this, we have launched the learning management system, and the management of Andhra Loyola College is very much grateful to the Rashtriya Uchatar Shiksha Abhiyan, to the state nodal officer, none other than our Vice Chairman of AP State Council of Higher Education, who is the state nodal officer for RUZA. And also in the absence, I acknowledge the efforts and the help given by the State Project Director, Sri M.M. Nayak IAS, the Special Commissioner of Collegiate Education, who happens to be the State Project Director. Now, at this juncture, now may I request the Director General of Police, Sri D. Gautam Savang, IPS, to give his greetings on this occasion. Sir, please.
Okay. Thank you very much. My greetings to Professor K. Ram Mohan Rao, Vice Chairman of AP State Council for Higher Education, Father Balashori, Rector, Father M. Sagyaraj, Correspondent, Father Victor Emmanuel, the Principal, Father Laudraj, Vice Principal, and other guests on the dais, and my dear students, parents, and teachers, all those of you who are online today. I must really congratulate the management of Loyola College for having launched this LMS system, as learning management system, today. It's a very significant progress, I must say, because keeping in with the times that we are passing through today. In fact, the whole world is challenged because of the COVID situation. And this challenge came as a surprise. In fact, the whole mankind has been challenged with this kind of a situation. And that the fact that we are launching this LMS today is also very significant. It's a significant demonstration also that mankind is very resilient. Mankind adapts and mankind changes to the situation and moves along and surges ahead. So this is also very symbolic of that situation and the challenge which the mankind faces. Globally, we are all aware that there has been a disruption to education, like there has been a disruption to all activities. Education has also been disrupted because of the COVID situation. So in situation like this, it is this LMS which becomes very relevant as a medium, as a mode for education. We know that everything is happening online. Large manner of doing business is happening online. People are more resorting to the virtual world. It is all in the cyberspace. A lot of exchanges are happening. A lot of interactions are happening. Businesses are conducted on online. So it's a virtual kind of an environment. Now, in that kind of a scenario, we also seen a paradigm shift in the realm of education. There has been revolutionary changes in the world today, in the manner in which mankind is engaged or engaging. So I'm very happy that the Loyola College management have brought about this LMS not only online but also in the form of an app, mobile app. We are all aware that how popular mobile apps are, because everybody is now using the smartphones. So you don't really need to be sitting at home on a laptop or a desktop, but also wherever you are, you can also access and continue with your learning process. They say that learning is never ending. So wherever you are, whatever situation you are in, through the mobile app, you will be able to learn. So I'm really happy that such kind of arrangements, such kind of facilities have been provided for, keeping in times with the situation. I'm sure that students of Loyola College would greatly benefit and be in a very advantageous position in times to come with this kind of a arrangement. So once again, I really thank the management for giving me this opportunity to be here today, to be party to this process. I'm really privileged to have launched this program, these facilities. So with these words, I really wish every student, every one of you who are online, and every student of Loyola College, the parents, the teachers, and the management all the very best from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much, and Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir, for underlining the importance of learning anytime, anywhere, not only during this COVID situation, but also the student is able to learn at his own pace. Now, may I request Professor K. Ram Mohan Rao Garu, the Vice Chairman of AP State Council of Higher Education, to give his message. Sir.
Distinguished dignitaries on the dais, the chief guest today, Sri D. Gautam Sawang, Director General of Police, a person with a very positive human face, the Father Balashauri, Rector, Father Sagai Raj, Father Victor Emmanuel, Principal, Lodraj, Father Rudraj, Vice Principal, Srirangam Matthews, Coordinator Rosa, the student friends, the faculty and the entire family of Andhra Loyola College. I am very happy to take part today's program, very interesting and important. And on the occasion, I would like to congratulate Andhra Loyola College management, faculty and all the people who are associated with it for the wonderful achievements they are making and wonderful moves they are taking up to promote quality in higher education. Andhra Loyola College is a brand by itself, and it is the lead college in a way in entire Andhra Pradesh. This is the only college having highest NAC accreditation grade and also figured in NIRF ranking. This college got 36 ranking nationally, and this is the only private college which got it. That is the excellent distinction. And after looking at the environment here, I am very much impressed, and see, in a way, we could not take education in this college. That is one feeling I had after looking at the kind of infrastructure it is having it. So our chief guest rightly pointed out that now we are facing a serious challenge, and never before in the history this much serious challenge is faced. We had world wars, we had so many pandemics earlier, but so no pandemic could able to reach the every part of the world, all. That this is the only distinctive feature. But of course, our human endeavor is to find opportunities in every calamity. We have to take the positives that are taking place due to this kind of problem we are experiencing. Every time human beings faced serious problems, they found innovative thoughts. So wherever that happened. So here also, this LMS type of blended learning system has been propagated for the last 2 decades. But unfortunately, few institutions could able to implement it, and because they are more towards the conventional teaching learning model in a classroom system. But now, maybe because in communication technologies, and we got the largest number of cell phones in the country, largest number of users in the country, in the world. So some huge investments are also made in infrastructure development as far as the e-infrastructure is concerned. So because of that, today we could able to use digital facilities to restrict our movements, our activities, and to a greater extent we could able to save ourselves with the facility that is already existing in this system. And the educational services are worst affected because all the institutions were closed, all the universities were closed, and we are not having enough courage to have regular classes with the full strength in the classroom. So that for us. Now the LMS came in handy for us. Self-learning is an important dimension in the changing environment situations. You all know that the world is moving very fast. Technology is driving us to change so frequently. The job positions, the activities that we are now visualizing may not be there in future. The knowledge, the skills that we gained now may not be useful after 5 years. Unless a person learn how to learn himself or herself, they cannot catch up to the changes in the world. So the conventional teacher-student information knowledge dissemination process has some limitations now, and those limitations can be overcome through this self-learning models. The LMS facilitates how you can source a right information, right teaching levels, and how you can understand and adapt yourself. So people should learn how to acquire skills on their own without depending on a formal entry into the education and taking some kind of training formally there. So that is the requirement now, and this is a move, really a wonderful move, and the kind of system here designed. I am very impressed with it. The Viscom theatre is very impressed, and I am sure that with the permission of the principal, so we are at the APSHI level. We are introducing LMS for the entire state for all undergraduate programs and also postgraduate programs, professional programs also. So we wanted to develop a comprehensive package for all courses and open to all the students, whether regular or not. So anyone, any youngster who wanted to learn any subject can access the courseware that is available through APSHI and can learn themselves. They can later register online, offline, say through distance education mode, and can get degrees, diplomas and all that. So such a flexible system we are trying to design. Motive of initiative of the new education that is introduced recently, and we are trying to adapt everything, and we have already done majority of the things that are proposed in the new education policy, and whatever few are remaining we are catching up. So in that perspective we try to use this theatre. We wanted to identify the good communicators, teachers from various institutions in the state, and come prepared so that here that can be recorded and we can use it. Like this, we have a few institutions having this kind of theatres, and we try to use all of them. And I am sure that with the wonderful leadership that we are getting from our dynamic Chief Minister and our Chairman, Professor Hemachandra Reddy, we are sure definitely we can make some positive change in the higher education system in the state. Once again, I congratulate the college, the principal and all his team for the wonderful work in designing this system, and I am sure that it will be useful for all the faculty as well as teachers. Say the lectures that are developed here should not be confined only to your teachers, your students, and this thing we can make it. It's for the entire world. World should learn. India having wonderful teachers, excellent teaching resources. We are confining it to a very, very small localities. We are not exposing it to the world. And once it is done, I am sure definitely we will get a lot of it. Once again.
Thank you very much, sir, for highlighting the visual communications studio of Andhra Lelo College, and also the importance of the learning management system There is a person sitting behind the mirror, Father Lourdes. He's the vice principal and he's the head of the department of visual communications. And Father is instrumental in making the visual communication studio again to renovate this with all type of technologies, sir. So it's a full-fledged studio. It's a media lab come studio, which is first of its kind in the state of Andhra Pradesh. So kudos to Father Lourdes, the vice principal and head of the department of visual communications. Now we are coming to the fag end of the program. Just before we conclude, may I request Sri Gautam Savang garu, IPS, our Director General of Police, and Professor K. Rammohan Rao garu to release two of our publications. One publication is the college magazine, and second is we have developed our own teaching learning material, a textbook meant for the general English students. So these two books will be released now. May I request the guests and the dignitaries on the dais to join in release of these books. First is the release of the college magazine. Assisted by Dr. B. Raju, the chief editor of the magazine, Loyalite. In fact, we have two different textbooks in two different parts for the general English students. It's the efforts of the faculty of the Department of English of Andhra Loyola College. Again, it is something unique. Having a textbook for a particular college is also again a feather in the cap of Andhra Loyola College with ISBN number. So this particular textbook can also be taken up by others also. May I now request the management to felicitate our guests. Sri Gautam Savang, IPS, Director General of Police, will be felicitated by the management. Gold color. I request Professor K. Rammohan Rao garu to accept our felicitations.
Just a minute, because all this program would not have been possible without the funds from RUSA. Since already we have honored him, yeah, we have our own RUSA man who is behind this scene. our Srirangam garu. So I asked both the it is a privilege. Please come, sir.
It's my pleasure, sir.
There's another person who made all these apps workable and who is going to be the administrator, the youngest person in the department and dynamic person, Anil.
So we'll conclude this particular program with national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे